Firstly, right-click your mouse, open the menu. Check your HDD, make sure it still has space. Then set up video recording for the camera. In Advanced page, open the ANR function. You can see upper right corner showing us it's recording. Check the existing playback. It can be seen that the video started at 12 o'clock. Let's come to the channel management page. It can be seen that the camera in channel E is working properly. Now I have unplugged the network cable that connects this IPC to the NVR. But the camera is still powered on now, and since it has an SD card, the camera will store all the videos of this period on the SD card. Check the playback on the NVR. This camera has stopped recording. We can only see the video before the disconnection now. The screen will automatically go black when the playback is over. Now we restore the connection between the IPC and the NVR. Check the playback status of the just restored connection. It can be seen that there are two recording clips, one before the disconnection and the other after the reconnection. There was no video recording during the period of disconnection. What we need to do is wait for a while to allow the IPC to complete the migration of the video from SD to hard disk. After waiting, refresh the playback interface to view the playback. The video during the disconnection period has been successfully transmitted. It can be seen that the video has become coherent.